Hello, today we're going to draw a popsicle with penguins. First, we're going to draw a popsicle shape, which is straight line. Straight line. Then we'll draw a curve about halfway. Then we draw a small curve, and another small curve. We're going to draw a line like this, then mirror the curves on there, but we stop here. Next, we're going to draw the bottom, which is another small curve, and the stick. We're going to draw the water right there, right here. For the penguins, first we're going to draw a sort of a circle, but more flattish. Then draw the same under it. Then draw two curved lines like this, and then his feet, which is semicircles. Then draw the mouth, which is a rhombus. Then draw one curve, two curve. Then draw the black part just like that, and the eyes. For the other penguin, we're gonna draw his head like this. His mouth is gonna be a triangle. His body is like this. This is his wings and his foot. He is seen sliding down the popsicle. Then we're gonna draw one that's diving into the water. Head's gonna be like this. The mouths, and then the wing. Then draw the body, curved line, and his feet. This one's a bit fat, but it's okay. Then we're gonna draw the underwater stuff. First, we're gonna draw a submarine that is passing by. Basically, sort of a rounded rectangle. Then we'll draw a rectangle on top. Curved line like this. Then curved line and connecting another. Then draw a straight rectangle like that. For the rear, we're gonna draw two lines and then connect with a straight line. Then draw circles inside for the windows. We're gonna make them black. We'll draw 3 windows. There we go. Now I'm gonna draw some fish. First, I'm going to draw a shark. It's okay if you can't fit the whole entire fish inside. Maybe it's just too big and it has to be left outside, but that's okay. See, I'm only drawing about half the shark since I can't fit the rest. Oh yeah, I forgot to draw his eyes and his gills. Then I'm going to draw a smaller fish. Like that. Then draw the bottom, the sand. Right there. Just like small hills. Then I'm going to dot them in. And here you go. Now time to color. For the coloring part, you can draw sort of around a rectangle, 3 like this. The top part's gonna be lighter, the bottom part's gonna be darker. So I'm coloring the top part with this. Just like that. And the top part, I'm gonna use this. To not color in, just to make some lines with it, like this. because ice isn't purely blue. So we're just gonna do this a little bit. For the bottom, we are gonna color in. This edges we're gonna do like this. And for the edges, I mean, not the edges, the inside, I'm gonna color a deeper shade of blue. Just like this. We can add some blue right there, right there, right there. I'm gonna take this color, the edges a bit shadowy, and the rest you can color however you like. Alright, so if you like this video, please click the bell, like, and subscribe to see more like this. Bye bye.